Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FET has reached, I think yesterday here, this first wave 3 target we talked about. It could be a diagonal pattern that's unfolding here, I'm not entirely sure. The structure from that swing low here on the 21st of November is quite choppy. So I'm not entirely sure if this is an impulsive structure to the upside or if we're dealing with a diagonal. That means just be on the side of caution. But it is important to recognize that this has gone a bit too high for a B wave. I mean, you can never really fully rule it out, but it would be a bit too high to reasonably expect this to be a high B wave. Because alternatively, we might still say, look, a overshooting B wave, C wave. In case it gives us a break of support, I would probably have to assume that, but exactly because of that, the lower support region stays at the moment where it is, between 118 and 136, because it is still relevant in case the upper one is going to break, right? The upper one is located between 152 and 174, and is at the moment holding, not even being tested right now, but it could be tested at any point, especially now that the third wave target has been reached. But I don't really have a strong indication that this pullback has started. Definitely something to monitor. If we test this area, then we can watch for support in the region between 151 and 173. For a third wave to be really healthy, I would actually prefer if it's a little bit higher or extends a bit higher, possibly to $2.13 or even $2.26. That would be good, would indicate some strength. But because we've already reached the first ideal target for this breakout after a possible 1-2 setup, the fourth wave support area is on the chart. So far, what I can tell you is that the pullback from the swing high that formed on Saturday is corrective. So we have a 3-wave move down. So it could technically still extend higher, because without a 5-wave move down, I don't have a strong indication that wave 4 has started, but it could have started. So we just need to watch for support should the price test this area, while keeping an open mind that we could extend further. You know, I think a sustained break below that last swing low here on the micro level, here at around 181, could indicate that this fourth wave has started. But bear in mind, the wave 2 took quite a long time. So what are we talking about, like a couple of weeks? Yeah, a couple of weeks roughly. So the wave 4 could also take one or 2 weeks maybe. So patience is required if this wave 4 is really unfolding. If we just get a small dip and then an immediate recovery, it's not yet the wave 4, and we would simply adjust the support region higher. What happens if we break above the last high at $1.96? Well, probably we will just test the next upside levels around $2.13 and $2.26, which is very common for a third wave. You know, we've only reached the first ideal target, so upside extensions, while they cannot really be predicted, they can be expected. We always have to expect third wave extensions in bullish markets. And as I said, 213 and 226 will be the next one. So not much more to talk about. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.